My name is Dandan Zhang. I am a lecturer in biomedical robotics at the Department of Bioengineering and in artificial intelligence and machine learning at the Imperial X initiative. I have cross-disciplinary research interests in robotics, biomedicine, and AI. My main focus is on dexterous manipulation, multi-modality sensor fusion, embodied intelligence, and micro-robotics for biomedical engineering. My ultimate goal is to develop next-generation robots empowered by artificial general intelligence with superhuman capabilities. I envision that intelligent robots will reshape our world by providing tangible benefits in our daily life and contributing to healthcare systems.